Hello everybody, Casey Coleman here at the Cow Academy London, and here with me today I have my beautiful model Valencia. Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new halo technique using the new Topchic Zero colours. I'm going to be using warmer colours to complement Valencia's skin colour and eye colour. So this is my sectioning for Valencia's halo highlight. Now to get these sections really nice and tight and clean, I've used the structure equalizer and sprayed it on the root right the way through to the ends to even out the porosity, ready for application. Take quite a large amount of product and apply it to the mid shaft first. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my brush around and feather the colour up towards the root. With this here, saturation is key, so apply plenty of product to make sure that we're getting a really healthy and even lift. I'm then going to repeat this right the way around my halo section. So now that Valencia's hair has lifted, what we've noticed is there's some evidence of previous colour and banding throughout the midsection here. What we're now going to do is apply a slightly deeper formula for the lighter area, a slightly lighter formula for the middle, and then the same formula on the ends then, just for the lighter part. Just so that the colour is cohesive from root to tip. What I'm now going to do is I'm now going to use 6N from Topchic Zero on the root with 10 vol. I quite like using this on the root because it's ammonia-free. It's very gentle and soft. There's hardly any scent at all. Works wonderfully for anybody who is very sensitive to smell. And I'm applying it to the root just to blend out the highlights that we've previously put in, but also just to make sure that the colour is completely cohesive globally. So I personally try and live a life that is as sustainable as possible. So when rinsing colours down the drain, I am very conscious of the effect that these colours could have on the environment. But that's not an issue with Topchic Zero. So the packaging is recyclable and the colour itself is 98% biodegradable, which is incredible. So I'm now going to apply my darker formula to the lighter areas. Really going to push that in with the tips of my brush to make sure that we're fully getting through and it's fully pushed into the cuticle. What I'm then going to do is I'm going to use my slightly lighter formula on the darker band, which just on the ends of these front part here. So I'm just reapplying my slightly darker formula onto the lighter area at the top, just to make sure it's fully saturated. And then I'm going to go in and again reapply my lighter formula for the darker area, just to make sure that that colour is completely cohesive from root to tip. Now that Valencia's colour is being processed, I'm going to walk you through the application. We started off by applying a global root colour of Topchic Zero 6N and 10 vol. Through the lighter area that we had here, I used 7B and 8K. And then through the darker area, I used 8K and 8G. Once we completed Valencia's halo section, throughout the mid-lengths and ends everywhere else, we applied 6N and 7B with 3%. This is just to make sure that her hair is really nice and shiny and just to enhance her natural curl. Now that Valencia's hair colour has been rinsed off, what we're now going to do is diffuse her hair using some products from Goldwell. First of all, we're going to spray in the curls and waves from Dual Senses. So just want to make sure that it's really sucking up all that product. I'm now going to use the lightweight wave fluid throughout Valencia's ends. So I'm really going to rub this into my hands, back and front. And I'm going to really come from underneath and just comb that through Valencia's hair. So as you can see, Valencia's hair is finished, and I don't know about you, but I am absolutely obsessed with the result. The Topchic Zero is perfect for zero staining. The halo highlight here just kind of peeks through at the bottom, just giving us some really, really nice highlight and actually helping define the curls a little bit more, which is always a win. What's also great about this colour is it's 98% biodegradable, so if you're a sustainability fan like me, this is perfect for you. Topchic Zero is made of 94% naturally derived ingredients, which is perfect So beautiful, so shiny. I hope you like it.